We're out for a walk here in Praia do Forte, and it's another day with a perfect weather.
Although it rained earlier, right? It poured down for about 20 minutes maybe, and then boom, change of scenery again.
Look at this, blue sky again.
It's another day which is quite busy. We've noticed people are actually very active in this village. There's always something happening. Something I'd like to point out is the cables. Look at them. This is very unusual for somebody visiting for the first time from Europe. But it's actually quite common here in Brazil. Cables are always kind of all over the place. You can't escape them.
Like acai stores, like this one. Acai, ice creams, you cannot escape them.
Acai is a sweet made out of a fruit called the acai fruit, and they often mix it with this drink called guaraná, which is produced here, again produced by fruit, but they also add other stuff. It's artificial essentially. And acai is a very common, typical sweet here in Brazil. A lot of people think it has, I don't know, beneficial properties or some really good vitamins.
If you don't add the tone of sugar
Exactly.
and other things like, I don't know, milk and creams and many sugary and processed foods.
It's a bit like frozen yogurt, right? So you take it and then you add, it's like supposed to be healthy, a healthy alternative, and then you add, I don't know, tons of sugar on top of it. Yeah, somebody's building their house, I guess, right? Or renovating, perhaps.
Somebody got rid of many bricks, and there is a mountain of bricks in the garden.
Well, this used to be a fishing village, so basically what happened is it naturally expanded into this new tourist destination, but at the same time loads of locals will have houses in the sort of main or second street here. I'd say it's not the main one, it's a parallel street to the main one. Hola!
Look at this thing, how can I call this? It's not a bicycle.
Yeah, I don't remember what it's called. I didn't see what's happened.
Okay, but it's still a fisherman village.
Yeah.
People are still fishing here, but now they have a lot more tourism as well.
Yeah, so for example, this house here, I'm pretty sure it's owned by a local. So locals will have these kind of, how should I call them? Sort of small houses, you know, relatively simple, you know. And then what happens is some of them sell them, or some of them renovate them because they own the land, and then they turn them into little hostels or hotels or restaurants. So this is a process we've seen in other parts of Brazil as well. And basically what this means is that some of them will have their own house, and then next to them there'll be a hotel or a restaurant, and then gradually loads more locals will sell.
Good for them.
Yeah.
And they also do these amazing tours. They call it paseo, and they have so good ideas. They will take you to a place that you don't know. They will take pictures of you. They will offer an experience to you, and they are really creative about these paseos, about these tours. Oh my God! I saw somebody climbing up the tree, and I think it's a small animal. Let's see. Yeah,
it's a miku. It's a little monkey. Lovely, it's eating.
Yeah, it's eating.